today, Rianne?
Making mochi popcorn.
Exciting. Okay, can you tell us about our ingredients?
Yeah. This is salt, and this is corn popcorn, and this is mochi crackers,
Yeah.
and this is furikake,
Awesome.
and butter oil.
Very nice. Okay, so what are we going to do first? Salt. You want to start with the salt? Okay. So go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of salt.
What do you used to sing? Patty cake? Patty cake, patty cake.
Baker's not
Bake in the oven for...
me and you.
Is the salt smooth yet, or is it still crunchy?
Still crunchy.
Alright, so we keep grinding it until it's nice and smooth like a powder.
Not yet.
Not yet. Almost. Alright, so next step is that we're going to put the salt into the pot that we're going to use. Oh wait, there you go. Alright, so the next step is we're going to measure out half a cup of popcorn kernels.
Okay, so let's open it. Okay, that looks good. Go for it. All of it.
Very nice. Alright, so can you pour in the butter oil next?
All of it. Inside. In the middle.
There you go.
You might spill.
Alright, get every drop out. Very nice.
It went on me.
You want it in your hand? It's okay. That's why we're in an apron to keep yourself clean. Okay, so now our popcorn is ready to pop.
Now we can pop the popcorn.
Mixing the kernels together, and the oil and the salt.
You used to sing when you were smaller every time you mixed. Lana. You used to sing the patty cake, right, Rianne? Forgot now. Alright.
Can you help me cover this with foil?
Yeah,
Cover it with foil. Next step is we're going to cover it. Make it nice and tight. And yep. Okay, puncture some holes. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay, alright.
Okay, and then we're going to cook the popcorn. Slide this up. Alright, so now we're going to put the heat on high, and then we're just going to wait for the popping to start.
I can't hear the popping.
We just turned on the heat, that's
You have
why.
to wait.
You gotta wait for a little bit.
Pop.
Until... Are you making the popping sounds? I hear the oil sizzling. Just gonna give it a little. Are we listening to popping? Any yet? Not yet. Soon though.
But I hear the oil doing it.
You're right.
I thought it was not doing it. You're putting me high.
Yeah, it's gotta be high to pop the popcorn. And then when it starts popping, we'll drop the heat down.
Yeah, it's just go pop, 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 pop. I hear it popping. Huh? I hear it popping. Pop, pop. Keep doing it like that. Let me, what am I? Okay,
The chef returns with a backwards hat. Not too close to the stove. Hear it. Rianne, look here. Can I see?
Wow.
Peppa Rianne. the goal is to let the steam out, or some of the steam out. All right, I think the popcorn's done. Can you smell it? Ooh.
Still popping.
Yeah, a couple of them are still popping.
Hi, popcorn.
Hi, popcorn. All right. Remember, kids, always have an adult help you in the kitchen. Whoa.
Can I put this?
Wow.
Open this.
What are these again? Mochi crackers.
Mochi crackers.
There you go. That important? Okay. All right.
I put a lot.
Yes, you did. You put a lot. Okay, and the next thing you're gonna put
Furikake.
is a lot of furikake.
Alright, yummy.
3 tablespoons of butter oil or melted butter. Swirl it gently. There you go. Very nice, Rianne. All right, now
Wow,
you can stir.
that looks so yummy. It was so nice. Okay, let's pour it. Wait, it has to look pretty.
The popcorn is done.
How's it taste?
Can you share some?
Can I have a piece? Oh, flying
Can you try some?
popcorn.